Hello! So a while back we crafted an acorn and planted it. Turns out it grew into this Christmas tree. Now, I know what you're thinking. Oh, you're barking up the wrong tree. Well, yes, that's correct. Acorns are just much nicer to needlefelt than pine cones. I'll make sure the acorn video is at the end of the video, so stay around for that. While this tree is a nice size for decorating, you won't fit many presents under it. You'll be needing a lot more wool to make it life size. If you've gotten this far in the video, thank you! Let me know what kind of decorations you'll be putting on your Christmas tree. Recently I've been putting my own crafts into the tree, it makes it super cute.